Guys, we just went to Mount Everest. It was amazing. We went by helicopter. If you ever get the chance, just do it. And don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. And don't forget to add up our new Instagram account, which is also at ReKiJe.
Here is Lukla, the most dangerous and scary airport in the world. One side's a mountain, and the other side you fall off a cliff, so you can't make any mistakes. That's us in the helicopter. We have to wake up so early. We took 7 flights to get to Everest. That's a lot considering we've never been on a helicopter before. Can you believe that we had to wake up at 5 in the morning? But it was worth it. The first people who climbed Mount Everest to the very top built this airport.
It's called Hillary and Tenzing Airport. The helicopter rides was such an amazing experience.
Check out the really short runway. Whoa, look at that aeroplane takeoff. This was our first stop and we changed helicopters. After waiting in the Lukla hotel for our new helicopter, we flew up to Shyangboche high up in the Himalayas. At Shyangboche we had to split up into 2 groups because helicopters find it difficult to fly that high up. I went first with my dad, while the rest of them stayed behind in Shyangboche with the yaks.
Look at the view, it is so pretty. Like, it's so bright around here, and look, there's like yaks and like all these like rocks everywhere and so sick.
And guys, there's this lake. I'll show you how to get to it. Get over it.
Yeah.
So you have this bridge that's literally the only way to get over it.
Except for that's not really a bridge, you know.
Yeah.
This whole place reminds me of a big cookies and cream ice cream, you know?
Or you
like,
can
it's all
just
like, I don't know, it's like these rocks are like the cookies and making sense.
There's 2 ways to get over this.
Kid in the Himalayas, you know, like in the Shyangboche.
Now the word
How do you say the name? Shyangboche.
It was just going to be like another mountain, but being in the Himalayas and actually seeing Everest, the highest mountain in the world, was absolutely amazing.
There's another helicopter.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that other helicopter. Kira and Rayan sounded so scared. They must really love me.
Just come back from seeing Mount Everest and they made it! Yay! What do you have to say about that? Us next, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it us?
Yeah, this is going to be fun. They were probably really scared.
We're in Shyangboche and we had to switch because helicopters couldn't take all of us at once.
We're heading to Everest now. There's Kira in the driver's seat. We're in the helicopter. There's Rayan. Hi, Rayan. Yeah.
We're at Everest Base Camp and look down there at all those tents. People who are climbing the mountains are actually sleeping in there. I'd much rather stay in the helicopter. Wouldn't you? It must be freezing down there. helicopter, we can see Everest. Having so much fun, but Rain's starting to feel a bit of altitude sickness.
Look at the views. Aren't the Himalayas amazing?
After picking up Jenna from Shyangboche, we headed to the highest hotel in the world for breakfast. Great views, yummy breakfast, and Rain felt a lot better after throwing up all his hot chocolate outside the hotel steps. See all the climbers taking photos of us as we're taking off. They're like paparazzi. I think we're famous now. We're all tired out now. We're heading back to Kathmandu. We took so many pictures that we had to share with you. I really hope you liked the view. Don't forget to press like to this video and all our other ones as well. And subscribe to our channel and our new Instagram account, which is also at ReKiJe.